Here's problem 6. Let f of x equal the piecewise function 3x plus 2 if x is greater than -2, and negative x squared plus a if x is less than or equal to -2. Find a so that f of x is continuous everywhere. So both 3x plus 2 and negative x squared plus a constant are polynomials, and so they're continuous everywhere they're defined. The only place where this might be discontinuous is where we change from -2, from one side of -2 to the other side of -2. So basically the idea here is that for the function to be continuous at -2, we have to check the three things for continuity. We have to check that it's defined. So when f of -2, well, if we plug in -2, we have to plug it into the second piece here. So that's going to be -2 squared plus a, which is -4 plus a. And that, so that doesn't really help us find a, but it does tell us it is defined. And then we've checked the limit exists. So we have to check the limit as x approaches -2 from the left is the same as the limit as x approaches -2 from the right. So if we approach -2 from the left, we're less than -2, which is this part right here. So that's going to be the limit as x approaches -2 of sorry, that should be parentheses there, of -x squared plus a, which if we plug in -2, we're going to get the same thing we got here. We're going to get -4 plus a. And it also has to equal the limit as x approaches -2 from the right, which is going to be using this piece of the function. That's going to be the limit as x approaches -2 from the right of f of x is equal to the limit as x approaches -2 from the right of 3x plus 2. And then if we plug in -2, we get 3 times -2 plus 2, which is -6 plus 2, which is -4. For these to be equal, kind of unexcitingly, a has to be 0. So -4 plus a having to equal -4, right, because the left limit has to equal the right limit, means that a has to equal 0. So then if a equals 0, the function is equal to -4. The limit is equal to -4 from the left and from the right. So if the function and the limit are the same, then the function is continuous at the point. So f of x is continuous at x equal to -2 and everywhere else if a equals 0. And that's the solution to problem 6.